Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how to count numbers that contain only unique digits. For example, 12 is valid because the digits 1 and 2 are different, but 11 is not because both digits are the same. Let's dive in. Counting these numbers manually is tedious, but you can leverage math and loops to compute them efficiently. We start by counting all single digit numbers. Then for larger numbers, we calculate numbers of valid choices for each digit, multiply them, and sum them up. This approach avoids generating all numbers explicitly. The key idea is combinatorial counting. The first digit has 9 choices, 1 to 9. The next digit has 9 remaining choices, then 8, and so on. Adding these gives the total numbers with unique digits. With n being 1, all single digit numbers are valid. And with n being 2, we subtract numbers like 11, 22, etc., resulting in 91 valid numbers. Counting numbers with unique digits helps in secure pin generation, solving combinatorial problems, and is a useful exercise in algorithmic thinking. In summary, we've seen how to effectively calculate how many numbers have unique digits within a range. This method uses simple math to avoid brute force iteration, making it both fast and elegant. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.